Hey everyone, welcome to the third episode of our Doodle Art course. This new video is all about doodling leaves and vines. The only materials you need are some drawing sheets, your black Sharpie and some color pens if you want to throw some colors to it. Vines are pretty additions to your doodles and they can be inevitable when it comes to decorative doodles. I tend to use a lot of dots in my doodles, and I think that it adds a great feel to my doodles and it's very easy and intuitive when it comes to using dots. I do want to share with you a few more of my favorite vine designs. Do take a look at this. Are you now wondering how to add different leaf designs to your doodles? Watch the rest of this video to see how I doodle tropical leaves, fall leaves, and many more. For this last pair that I am showing you today, you can use simple patterns and shapes we learned from the previous videos to design the interior of these leaves. I hope you all loved this episode. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby for the next video on doodling flowers.